Every day, thousands of companies, big and small, will experience some type of IT security breach. Cyber criminals are exploiting all of today's workplace environments, including mobile, cloud, and e-commerce, to gain access to sensitive company and customer data. Assuming they'll only attack the other guys only increases your vulnerability. Mitigate your potential risks with managed IT security from TeamLogic IT. Our approach focuses on 4 areas: policies, procedures, technology, and processes to tailor a security solution that addresses your current and future needs and potential risks. TeamLogic IT aims to provide IT security that's transparent, seamless, and non-disruptive by identifying potential problems before they disrupt your operations to minimize downtime and mitigate security risks. By leveraging technology to your advantage, TeamLogic IT helps you protect your data, secure your network and devices, and equip your workforce with a high level of availability and security at any time from anywhere. Move forward with the color of confidence. Call us today to discover how TeamLogic IT can help assess your IT risks and protect your data.